ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Menteri Rangba ke Jilau kontrak ke sangma hakar pulai tarik ulber aracar pusau ulang maga sorkar jilla kan le dak Tyngeh persya ikito ke bertemu ban Pynthud ya ke Shongsuk Shongshngaiñ ha ke jilla ha ke jinikaran magila pathai khubor Menteri Rangba ulang ki pulet kila treshi tomha ha kisnam bladab bagila yo kemru ya bunngut bagila dan ru bunja ki jingsha berngem bersit dari pulet kila la bentek lakam bagila tre palat por ban pentikna bagi beri ke badan keti ban Pynthud ya ke Shongsuk Shongshngaiñ ha ke jilla ki di bencap pencitom dak Tyngeh ulang ru bagi sarkar kan kensting bar ulayat huru bulalum ya ke jinglang halo ke jinglong jingman ha ke jilla ha ke baradan lang menteri ke tanat kampo yeng ke jilla uba preston tensong chief secretary ke jilla uba DP walang bar DGP ke jilla Dr. LR Bishnoi.
The police, as you must have seen, has been very active in the past. And a lot of arrests have been made. A lot of different kind of threats that were there have been neutralized, and police is working overtime to ensure that all the people who are involved in these kind of activities of disturbing the peace and law and order in the state, strong action will be taken against them. So therefore, we will not leave anything to chance. And even before, in fact, speaking to you now, we had a security meeting, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and in charge home, DGP, Chief Secretary and Secretary home. We were all in the room and we were discussing about the different situations. And so we are very much obviously on the job, and we're ensuring that whatever the case may be, everybody is involved or trying to disrupt the peace, we will take necessary action.